Hello students, this is Dr. Diaz and I'm here to clarify some measurements over here. First, let's look to this first one, A. Let me just grab this here, a pen. Okay, so let's look to the A over here. This is pretty easy, but you need to pay attention on how to read. First, your eyes must be in direction of the liquid. So otherwise, you're going to make mistakes or over or underestimate your volume, okay? So you need to read and here in the meniscus of the liquid. So not here on the top that you see it, okay? So another thing is, this instrument is giving you volumes that it goes and per 1 milliliters, like 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So what the instrument gives you is exact values like 35 or 36. So in a measurement, we always estimate the next one. So that means if the liquid is close to 35, but it's not exactly 35 and also it's not 36, right? So the volume that I'm going to read here, I can estimate one more, so it will be 36. It's not 36, right? It's a little bit over 36 actually here. So it would be 36 point, it's not 5.5, it's not exactly in the middle, can be 36.4 milliliters, right? This is what I can estimate because the instrument's giving you 35, 36, 37 is increasing and in the space of 1 milliliter, so we can increase one more. Predict one more. This is the uncertainty of the measurement. In this case over here, look at the volume. It's different. It's not decreasing like this. It's going backward here, right? So most measurements or most measuring tools tells you how much liquid is inside them, like you see in the first one over here. That's why the number is increasing, because it's decreasing because it's telling you how much liquid is still inside. However, in this case here we have a burette. A burette is an instrument that we use to measure how much liquid we have used, how much of the solution we have used, okay? So the number here will start with 0 over here in the top that you cannot see the numbers, but I'm telling you, and then get bigger as you go down. So it's getting bigger and bigger. So first thing that you need to do is move your eyes so they are in the level of the meniscus, as I said before, because otherwise you're gonna read wrong. This is called parallax error. And then when you find the meniscus as you did over here, and then you're ready to read the volume. This is the part that tricks you. So you know the top is 0 milliliters. So the bottom here, down here, will be 50 milliliters. So the number is increasing as you go down because they represent how much liquid has been dispensed. So I know that I dispensed already how much? Close to 21, but it's not 21, right? So if the meniscus is right above here 21, right, but it's not here on 20.9, so this is what the instruments given to you, right? 20.1, 20.2 is increasing, the volume is increasing in 0.1. So I can predict one more. So this is what they given to me, so I can predict the next one over here. So the volume for me will be 20, right? 0.9. This is what the instrument's giving to me, so I can predict one more, so it'll be 20.90 milliliters. Okay? So it's really important to understand the difference between those two instruments over here. One is to measure how much liquid I still have inside of my instrument. The other one is a burette, which is count how much liquid I still I use it, right? So how much liquid I have used it. That's why the number are different here. So it's getting bigger when you go down. Good. This is Dr. Diaz, and I hope you did understand this. If you still have a question, just ask me. That's it. That's all. Bye for now.